Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday called out 5 states for low testing rates for coronavirus as he interacted with 10 chief ministers on the handling of the coronavirus pandemic. Of the 5 states, 3 including Bihar, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh are the states where the BJP is in power. The other 2 that were asked to ramp up testing at the meeting held via video conferencing were West Bengal and Telangana. Prime Minister Modi also spoke about the need for India to now start working on the 72-hour formula. He said that experts on the pandemic have argued that if within 72 hours of finding a person infected with COVID-19, all the people who have come in touch with the individual are traced and tested and positive among them are quarantined, then it could greatly help the fight against the pandemic. Rahat Indori, the writer of iconic lines who was known as one of the most talented contemporary Urdu poets, died of a heart attack at a hospital in Indore in Madhya Pradesh on Tuesday. His son Satlaj Indori has informed about it. He was 70 years old. The poet had tested positive for coronavirus on Sunday. He was admitted for coronavirus treatment but passed away after suffering a heart attack. A doctor at Sri Aurobindo Hospital said that Indori suffered 2 heart attacks on Monday. He was admitted to the hospital on Sunday after testing positive for COVID-19, but he had 60% of pneumonia. In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court on Tuesday ruled in favor of rights of daughters to have a share in the Hindu undivided family property. Settling the disputed question of law, a 3-judge bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra held that daughters will have a right in the parental property in accordance with the 2005 amendment in the Hindu Succession Act. The court held that daughters' rights are absolute after the amendment and that she would have the right of inheritance irrespective of whether her father was alive at the time of amendment or not. This clarification is important since it sets aside a clutch of previous decisions by the top court that she would have the co-parcenary rights only if both the father and the daughter were alive as on September 9, 2005 when the amendment was notified. The central government has agreed to restore 4G internet in one district each in Jammu and Kashmir division on a trial basis more than a year after the high-speed internet services were suspended on August 5 last year. Attorney General K.K. Venugopal informed the Supreme Court on Tuesday that the special committee formed to review the situation has decided to provide the access to high-speed internet in limited and specific areas from August 16. The government will review the situation after 2 months, he said. The submission came as Centre responded to a contempt petition citing lack of transparency in keeping the 4G access blocked and no application of mind. Russia has developed the first vaccine offering sustainable immunity against the coronavirus, Russian President Vladimir Putin announced on Tuesday. The vaccine has been named as Sputnik after the Soviet satellite. This morning, for the first time in the world, a vaccine against new coronavirus was registered in Russia, he said during a televised video conference call with government ministers. Putin added that his daughter has been inoculated with the new Russian coronavirus vaccine. Head of the country's RDIF Sovereign Wealth Fund said that Russia had already received requests for more than 20 countries for 1 billion doses of the vaccine. The development paves the way for the mass inoculation of the Russian population, even as the final stage of clinical trials to test the safety and efficacy of the vaccine continue. However, the US and UK are still skeptical about the Russian vaccine.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.